Welcome back. We're looking at the Nifty now closing in towards that 18,300 mark, and the up move actually started from yesterday's last hour where it opened higher. And this morning, while it opened higher and subdued around that 18,250 mark, we're meandering around 18,300, and that's where the action for expiry tomorrow has moved into. You just take a look at the 18,300 call as well as the 18,300 put. Both of them are extremely active. 74 lakh shares written on the 18,300 call. The 18,300 put comes up for you. That one too has almost 51 lakh shares written for a combined premium of 100 odd rupees. The smart money is eyeing a range of 18,200 to 18,400. But what's interesting this time around is that there could be a case for a bit of a breakout, or that's what the street is positioning itself for. Because while this range is eyed, just keep an eye out on that 18,600 call as well as the 18,700 call. Together, they've added close to around 50 lakh shares in open interest, 32 lakh shares for 18,700 and almost 28 lakh shares for 18,600 for a premium of 1 to 1.5 odd rupees. If the market was to go higher, this is a punt that the bulls are taking. Were we to break out, maybe these premium from almost 1.5 to 2 odd rupees could go much higher and they would benefit from that. But does that tie in with the technicals of the market? Aditya Agarwala joins in to tell us more. Aditya, are we looking at a breakout, or maybe the range will play out?
Good afternoon, Mangalam. Thanks for the show. Doesn't look like it's breaking out either today or tomorrow. We'll be surprised if it breaks out actually. But at the moment, it's a very tight range, to be honest. On the upside, it's 18,350, 18,400, which the bears are defending very carefully. And on the downside, 18,250 for the day is an immediate support. If that breaks, we again slide down to 18,150. So it's this narrow band between 18,150 on the downside to about 18,400 on the upside, where Nifty is oscillating, and there is a bit of volatility between that range. Same holds true for Bank Nifty, though it has made a new high today. It has broken out from a narrow consolidation phase, but again on the upside, 42,750, 42,800 is acting as a hurdle. On the downside, 42,550 to 500 is a support zone. So both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty are more or less in a narrow tight band, while your broader markets are surprising, and there is stock-specific activity which continues to dominate the street.
Okay, what would that stock-specific activity that you're talking about for you? Individual technical picks, name a few.
A couple of buy recommendations on the upside. So on the metal pack, JSW Steel is something which is looking attractive. After a bit of a consolidation, some of these stocks are looking attractive. So JSW Steel traders can look at buying, look at a target of 740 on the upside with a stop loss at 701 on the downside. The second stock recommendation is MCX. That is also looking very attractive. A positive reversal on charts. So on the upside, 1600 could be the target. On the downside, 1510, 1520 could be the stop loss.
Okay, all right, Aditya. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and giving us